Why does your scanner show the P2544 engine code? What does it mean? P2544 is a diagnostic trouble code for torque management request input signal A. This engine code indicates that the PCM, or Engine Control Module (ECM), is not receiving the expected input signal related to torque management from the transmission control module. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Wiring issues, PCM or TCM failure, electronic throttle control system problems, transmission-related issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford 500, Cadillac STS, and Mazda CX-7 models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.